Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. Today's video is a little different. It's not a tutorial video, but a reminder of how beautiful pop-up art is. I'm showing 3 of my finished pop-up cards that are illustrated in full drawings. They are garden-inspired pop-ups. This one is an old pop-up card where the beaver is... Oh, this is a beaver, okay? I'm not sure if you see it as a beaver, but it is. Okay, this pop-up illustration is just about having a simple life blending in nature because I love nature. Just like this beaver, lying on the green grass, looking at the blue sky above, and feeling the breeze of fresh air. I hope pop-uppers that in this busy generation, we find time to blend ourselves in nature, to see how beautiful our surrounding is, the trees, the grass, the flowers, and everything that we can see around us. The next one is my latest pop-up flower, which the spread is also illustrated with green leaves. I have decided to draw leaves on the entire spread because green, I think, is pleasant to the eyes. And also, green leaves as the background highlights the flower on top. Additionally, I think green shows growth. Just like how we see the first leaf of a plant sprouts from the ground. That's really amazing. That's why I love seeing green leaves. The third one is a little old pop-up card. Again, garden-inspired pop-up. I love butterflies, and if you remember, this is the pop-up card that I offered to you guys as my way of thanking you for reaching 1,000 subscribers in our YouTube channel. I was and I am very happy about it. Thank you so much, pop-uppers. Well, to be honest, pop-uppers, I am really thinking, lately I am thinking if what I'm doing, like this pop-up art videos, is still worth it. Is it still worth of my time? And then when I went through this pop-up card, I am reminded of the happiness that I felt when we reached the 1,000 subscribers. That was so inspiring. And also, I am reminded of why I am doing this, the purpose, the reason, etc. I think there are really times in our life that we question ourselves if our work is still worth of our time. But it's okay. I think it's okay. Whenever you feel that, look at your arts, your pop-up cards or pop-up books, and find one that inspired you the most. I'm pretty sure you will be reminded of your great reasons and purpose why you are doing it. So, pop-uppers, let's keep moving. Let's keep learning. Let's continue to explore the beauty of pop-ups and discover the magic that it can give to us. Thank you so much, pop-uppers. See you in the next video. God bless. Bye!